What's happening, ladies and James out there in YouTube land? It's the King Terminator coming at you. We're gonna be running some pest control today on them sky rats, utilizing this here killer bee. It's a Terminator Gauntlet 2 and 22 cal. She's kitted in yellow and black Terminator GTac, running the Hajimoto side cocking lever and oversized magazines, working real nice. Got them lock bipod, adjustable shoulder rest, tune trigger, power adjuster, 20-inch short barrel, harmonics balancing kit, Terminator Megaband, 420cc bottle on there, regulated at 2200. Running on stealth mode with that there Terminator Wiener Dog carbon fiber edition. Oh yeah. Ammo's gonna be them JSB Hades. 15.89 grain. Hunting tip. Wrecking havoc. Yep. Spitting at 945 feet per second. We're getting 165 shots per field.
We're not gonna. You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your
trigger fingers.
I say that's the
Terminator.
So? What'll I make you?
Paper punches? Dumb and Dumber right here. Done did land so close, I forgot to hold under. But luckily, missed the headshot in the front, got the headshot in the back. Must have been about a 10-yard shot. Sometimes them are the hardest to judge on your hold, depending on your scope height, pellet velocity, and weight. Terminating can be confusing at times. But usually after the first 10 or 20 shots, you get pretty dialed in on your setup's trajectory, and the rest of the day it's all gravy. Here you can see how the action of the Hajimoto side cocking lever is working. I know I've only got on camo gloves, but my white forearms and face are sticking out like a sore thumb. But it's hot out, y'all. I'm doing what I can. Except even with the lack of camouflage, this here carbon fiber Wiener Dog, with its proprietary and freshly redesigned internal baffles system, it's keeping our sniping location fairly well concealed for them sky rats. Terminator's killing the game right now, literally, with its line of PCP LDCs, covering 177 to 30 cal, with budget versions and standard synthetic or lightweight carbon fiber, a color match to your Terminator GTac or Avenger ATAC chassis system. Them LDCs is quiet, durable, lightweight, and accurate. Gots to be very, very quiet so as not to disturb them sky rats and give up our location. And that's where the Terminator line of LDCs can deliver. As my man Geraldo would say, straight down. This here Archmoto side cocking lever is making it easy to shoot them sky rats in quick succession. Bam, rat down. And another one. These sky rats ain't standing a chance with this setup. So I'm pest controlling like a mother trucker right now until I see this guy driving around. Pulls up on me. A shotgun shooter, or wing shooter, as they refer to themselves. I'm sitting here hoping he ain't gonna try to set up on top of me.
How long are you gonna be out?
I just got here a few minutes ago.
Oh, really? Okay.
Except he gonna set up anyway and stir up all them sky rats. Oh, you fucking bastard. I got some hard crosswinds coming and going. Running about 1.5 mil of windage hold. God damn. This raptor's trying to enjoy his meal in peace and quiet. And I got blade shot raining down on my head. These 16 grain heads is working real nice. Just putting them down like no problem. Oh no, it ain't gonna be no pigeon procreation on this watch. Well, I think I'm gonna call it. It's hot as balls out here. So if any of y'all boys and girls out there want to build yourself up one of them sick looking Gauntlet 1, Gauntlet 2, or Gauntlet 30s, or Avenger, you know who to call. Bam! Look at that. Oh yeah. Carbon fiber LDC. Carbon fiber bottle. Terminator GTac kit. Precision and power. Woo wee! Check it, dog. Haha. When you ready to join the Terminator army, just hit us up. All the contact information is in the video description down below. Don't wait, hesitate, or masturbate until you get yourself kitted up. You gots to tell the wifey that you've been on that OT and that you deserve it.